child, and when she disappeared, I came looking and found you. Alone, frightened, living in your mother's dressing room. Oh, Judy.
My name is Ginger Del Marco.
No! You're my daughter, and I've raised you since you were 2 years old.
Mother!
All right, 7, what's the difference? You turned out beautifully. You can't sing or dance at all.
But how can you be sure?
And you have a fine young husband, Kenneth.
Frederick!
And together you've given birth to a love.
My name is Hippie, T-I-P-P-I.
You must take care of your daughter.
She
needs you.
No, Mother,
Tina, get back here right now!
She needs you now, more than ever. Darling, I'm so glad we had this talk together. I feel so much better. I think I'll go freshen up. You might want to put a comb through that wig too, Judy, darling. Tina, break a leg.
Thanks, grandmother.
Mwah.
Call me.
Let's do lunch.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Okay, Tina, let's do the Pippi ballad from the top.
I'm tired, Sylvia.
Come on, it's almost there.
Okay. When I was a little girl of 7, my mommy unexpectedly went on a trip to heaven.
Oh, it's too cute! It needs weight! Try it again.
When I was a little girl of 7, my mommy unexpectedly went on a trip.
No tears, damn it! What did I teach you?
I cry, the audience won't.
Precisely. Now start again.
No.
Tina.
I'm tired and I'm hungry.
You're a quitter.
It's a lousy song anyway.
There are no lousy songs, just lazy singers. Here, I'll show you how it's done. When I was just a little girl of 7, my mommy unexpectedly went on a trip to heaven. And Daddy dear would kiss my tear when I would start to cry.
It's too big, Sylvia.
I beg your pardon?
It's too big. You want them to come to you.
Well, excuse me, Judy, what would you possibly know about it?
I know enough to know that you're pushing for results. You're not in the moment. You're indicating.
Mama, will you show me how it's done?
I can't.
Yes, you can.
When I was a little girl of 7, my mommy unexpectedly went on a trip to heaven. And Daddy dear would kiss my tear when I would start to cry and say, "Oh, Mommy, stay, she's overhead, an angel in the sky." Mama?